So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cheap and easy Sub-Zero mask. This is from the Sub-Zero costume in my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke. For the mask, I cut 2 blue pieces and 2 black pieces. I laid a blue piece on top of the black piece, and the second blue piece on top of the blue piece, and the other black piece on top of that. So the blue is sandwiched in between the black, and you just sew along that one curved edge there. So when you unfold it, you end up with this. And then you just want to hem all the other edges. So what you'll do when you unfold it on the other side, black side up, you just fold the edges down inward since the black is the inside and just hem along those edges just like that. Give it a nice clean look. And for the middle piece, cut these 2 pieces out of some craft foam. The plain piece should be just a smidge smaller than the one with the holes. The one with the holes you're just going to heat up with a heat gun, bend it into a slightly curved shape, and then you just glue that on top of the plain piece so that you end up with the piece that's flat in the back and slightly curved in the front with the little holes. So that you'll just glue onto the center of the mask, and then you're just going to glue up the edges of the mask around it so it's kind of tucked in around the mask there, which gives it that flat front look that Sub-Zero has. So once that glue is dry, cut these 2 pieces out of some 2mm craft foam, glue one on one side and one on the other side. And then I had a bunch of scraps of little yarn that were too small to do anything with, so I tied one to all 4 corners of the mask. And you could also use stretchy string or something if you wanted to, but I had these on hand. And they just tie in the back behind the head, and the hood covers up the tie so no one will see it. Take 2 bottle caps, paint them black, and then paint them silver. Using a very light touch with the silver, and then you just glue 1 bottle cap on one side, one on the other side, and then you've got a completed Sub-Zero mask. And if you guys want to see how I made the rest of this costume, then check out my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke, which is currently available for pre-sale. The links are in the description box.